worst thing is, when I reach back to my gas, I sometimes accidentally add a bit, and it's bad, really bad. Because that's fucking impossible, man. Ouch, that was a bit too hard. We'll see. Yeah, that one was good. I just can't add more gas, because then I would lose that shit. Yeah. So messy out here, but I'm too lazy to clean it, so maybe in a couple of weeks. Fuck, man. I just need to learn the angle properly and then train NOHAND. Like, I can train it, but I don't know the exact angle I need to put in. It's so weird, man. Whoa, whoa. Also, this spot is a bit downhill on this side and it's uphill on that side, so it's kind of hard to, you know, go straight. Oh shit, that's police. I don't know if they're going after me, but I don't think so. I think they didn't see me. It's too much rocks out here in the back side of this spot. I think the police will come one day. Since I started riding here, there was no police after me. Like, they never showed up on this spot and they never told me anything. Like, I think the day will come. I hope it's not today. Whoa. Alright, so after a little break, we'll go back to no-handers. I hope the camera setting is okay. I hope you can see it, but I think so. Almost forgot to turn on the gas and let's go. Woo! It was raining yesterday, so all the mud you can see here, it's wet, and my rear tire isn't really sticking up on it, so it was around here, I think. Yeah, here. That's what I'm talking about. Like, it's downhill on this side and it's dragging me down there, and of course I don't want to end up in ditch. I just hope I don't loop my bike today, because that would be really sad for me. was in first gear. There's no way I can like get both hands down when the engine is braking and it's dragging me down. I'm learning how to like ride the stoppie more far away than just on the spot, but it's not really that impressive right now because, you know, I'm just learning. What is that? I don't think it should be this loose. I guess it's okay. Whoa, shit. I keep turning my body so the rear side of this bike is going sideways and I don't know how to stop it. Whoa. It should be more bent over the handlebars. Yeah, I just keep going this way and I don't know how to stop it. I'm tired, man. Try it in first gear. Because I'm used to like do wheelies and stuff in second gear and I'm not really used to first gear. And I would like to change that. But let's hit this. And also I want to learn like circles in a wheelie, and that's mainly done in first gear. So learn how to control my bike in lower speeds. Like you don't have enough power, but when it kicks in, you know you have enough power. Alright, so I think it was enough for today's riding. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to follow me so you don't miss out on any other riding days, and see ya.